Emisang Hlalele is a local artisan. He's one of the many artisans that are making a living out of selling sandstones. Lesotho has a vast amount of sandstone deposits in its regions. The sandstone is mainly used in construction projects as blocks for building.
We maintain our lives with this stone because our family and our parents and those families of us live with this stone. So we want to go forward and develop our lives. We know that here in our land there is no too much work to work. So a illiterate person.
In a country that is grappling with a high unemployment rate, many Basotho, like Hlalele, are part of this sandstone mining sector.
I work hard here with sandstone so that I can get money so I can have a better life. I'm hoping things will get better though. I started working here from 2006. This business brought life to my family, my home. I've got a wife and 3 kids. On top of that, 2 of my children are at school. With the money I get from here, I'd be so proud if they can turn this into a formal business for us.
The government has pledged to formalize this industry in order for thousands more to benefit. For years, the industry has been in the hands of small artisans with limited investment capabilities. And now that it will be formalized, government wants to ensure that Basotho play a leading role. The government, through the minerals and mining policy, plans to transform the artisanal and small-scale subsector to providing value addition and poverty reduction.
If you go to places where you have such stones, you will find small miners at the gates of big mining companies that are there and competing with them. They buy the raw material from them and they cut the stone at the gate and they sell it. They actually can survive from that, and most of the time you find that they actually beat the prices of the big companies that are there. So this we have seen as a good opportunity that we can expand and formalize that sector to make sure that more Basotho can play a leading role in making sure that we extract and exploit our sandstone. We believe that Basotho must also have the share of this cake that we are having in terms of making sure that they also exploit the resources for the benefit of the country.
Minister Njamela says formalizing this sector will unlock the meaningful participation of this community.
What they call the dimension stone or sandstone mining. The equipment that you require is not as expensive and the startup is not as difficult as you'd have in a diamond mine. So this is one area where we want to see Basotho artisanal miners, small-scale miners, playing a role, a critical role in producing the dimension stone and making sure that they sell the market. It's not only beautiful, it's durable, and it's quite cost-effective in the long run.
It is hoped that this move will also halt the adverse effects of the sector on the environment. Yolisa, Njamela, CCTV, Lesotho.